From there, we want to build a plan. So now we kind of got the category of who we're going to call. What is the plan? What are we going to look to do? This is where you have to kind of come up with your business plan. Well, how many deals do you want to close for the year, and how many agents will leave you based on, 4 is your average tenure of an agent. How many agents do you need to recruit based on the per agent productivity? How many calls does it need to make to get an appointment? How many appointments do I have to set to have someone actually show up? How many interviews do I have to conduct to actually hire somebody? And how many follow-up calls does it take to actually hire an agent? So all of this is part of the plan, just like you would do with an actual agent when you're putting a business plan for them to hit their goals for production. We have to do this from a broker standpoint for whatever goal that we want to create for growing our brokerage or our team. So this is part of the plan. Ton of information here, Randy. I've been rambling off. Any questions up to this point? Any comments?
I just want to point out, guys, that it's a math equation. In this industry, we talk all the time about converting online leads, and it's just a number of how many leads you get versus calls and follow-ups, et cetera. It's the same thing in recruiting, right? This is just a math equation. So figure out what these numbers are for you. Start here if you don't know. If you don't know, start here. Use these numbers. 90 days from now, review your activity and then figure out what exactly it is for you specifically. So just be cognizant of this. Don't just call blindly and not keep track of your performance and KPIs. And this is a great place to start, Stan.
Excellent.